Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a like on this video. I'm gonna do an unboxing video today, and it's these speakers, Studio 50 USB by Behringer, and I'm hiding conveniently behind the box right now. But let's get started. Just got this package from my girlfriend. It's my birthday, and thank you very much, Maria. God bless you. Let's see what it contains. Speakers, obviously. Da-da. 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 Styrofoam. One speaker here, other here. Get some oops. So get a power cord, speaker cord, wire maybe, quick start guide, and the speakers. Ooh. Oh, scheiße. It feels solid. I read some reviews about them, and they're excellent actually. Turn this one around so you can see the connections. Meanwhile, I'll try to wrap the plastic without any further accidents. Power cord. And the speaker. That's pretty much it. Okay, let's check the back of the speaker. We have here, of course, power source, power connector, speaker cable connector to the other speaker, USB type B cable, which is not included, and we got the TRS inputs and balanced XLRs. This is high frequency. Can adapt monitor frequency response to the damping characteristics of the room. Nice. And input trim. Very nice. But I think it's kind of cheap that they didn't send a USB cable with. But that's just my opinion.